Hello, everyone. Welcome. Thanks so much for joining us today and taking the time out of your schedules to join us for this really exciting presentation. We've got Brandy and Randy here from Lions Floor. My name is Kayla. I'm here representing the Acelab team. So while we give everybody a couple of minutes to join in, I'm going to quickly take over screen share and show everyone where you can learn more about Lions Floor on Acelab. All right, so my screen share should be coming up in just a moment. All right, hopefully it's showing now. There we go. All right, perfect. So here we are in Acelab. If you're ever looking to search for a particular manufacturer or one of our partners, you're welcome to navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen, search for any name. In this case, we're searching for Lions Floor, so you'll be brought to their brand page here. So we've got some brief information about them. You're welcome to request more information from them here. We've got a few value propositions, and then, of course, all of their products here for you to explore. So you can click into any one of these products here if you're interested in learning more. We've also got the option to save any of their products to your firm library for future reference, so you're welcome to do that as well. So check out their products here, and any other information on their page is all welcome to you. I'm going to drop this link here in the chat for you to reference. A couple other housekeeping items to go over before we get started. So first, I want to make sure everybody knows that we will be doing Q&A towards the end of the presentation. So you'll see the Q&A box at the bottom of your screen. Feel free to click that and then drop any questions that you have in there throughout the presentation. And then towards the end, we'll go through some of those live. We will also be doing a poll. So during the presentation, you'll see a poll pop up. If you're interested in getting more information from Lions Floor after today's presentation, fill out that form to get more information. And we also will have a post-webinar survey. So definitely encourage you to use those. And that's everything that I have from my side. So I'll go ahead and pass it over to Brandy.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Brandy Eilers. I'm here with our marketing director, Randy McKellar. Today is a quick introduction to Lions Floor and our most popular flooring options. Lions broke their teeth in the retail division in 2017 and has since become a trusted partner in the builder multifamily world, committed to offering the very best in quality and service while maintaining affordability. We have 6 distribution facilities across the United States. We have 2 in California, 1 in Arizona, 1 in Florida, and 2 in Texas. You can rest assured that all of our products are third-party tested and certified. Additionally, all Lions products are Floor Score certified. Our products qualify for many green building schemes, including LEED, WELL, BREEAM, CHIPS, and Green Globes. You should also know that all of our factories are ISO 9001 certified. There are systems to monitor quality and efficiency to ensure a cleaner future of doing business. You will find our products installed, but not limited to, boutiques and hotels, student housing, restaurants and bars, and healthcare facilities. We are a trusted, resilient flooring manufacturer of waterproof click SPC, WPC, and laminate. We also have a water-resistant flexible LVP. Regarding our current products, we have 130 SKUs comprising of 8 SPC collections, 3 LVP, 1 laminate, and 2 WPC. We offer stair treads, transitions, reducers, and overlapping stair nose, glue and underlayments for all of these products. Has anybody ever heard of EIR? EIR means embossed in register. It matches the visual of the wood grain for a more realistic visual and feel of real wood. No embossing references hand scrape. Some of you may have heard of this in the past. Starting with our district line, this is our only glue down line. We have three options. There is a 2.6, 2.12, and a 2.5/20. This product is a 7-inch by 4 foot with a hand scrape. With 12 colors, this line, you are sure to find a perfect color. Moving into our Bambino collection, Bambino is our entry-level SPC, which means stone polymer core. This is a 12 mil, 7-inch, 4-foot click. Our locking system on all of our products are Uniclick. There are a total of 14 colors in this line. All colors in our Bambino line cross over to our district LVP line. Grande, another one of our SPC lines. Also a 7-inch, 4-foot. This is a 20 mil painted beveled edge with a hand scrape. Moving forward, the remainder of our SPCs will be 20 mil. Grande offers a richer selection of natural dark visuals. Our Versa collection, also a 20 mil hand scrape product with an overall thickness of 6. This 7-inch, 4-foot Uniclick has a micro bevel. This is our gray versatile line. With our selection of 4 grays, you'll be sure to agree with any designer. Lone Star Spirit. Lone Star Spirit is the first in our 6-foot product. This is a 20 mil, 7-inch, 6-foot hand scrape with a painted beveled edge. The Lone Star look and color line is known for its rustic vibe. Trenta SPC Uniclick. This is the start of our 9-inch line. 9-inch, 5-foot has a painted bevel and EIR embossed in register. Trenta is a 20 mil wear layer and overall thickness of 6.5. This line offers the most classic of natural colors. With a 9-inch plank, you will surely wow any large space. Natural Essence. SPC Uniclick, 9 by 5 foot, overall thickness of 6.5 with an EIR and a beveled edge. This line gives a weathered feel while maintaining a sleek visual. Lone Star Spirit XL. This is the second part to our Lone Star line, offering a larger rustic option. 9-inch by 6 with a 6.5 overall thickness. This is a 20 mil painted beveled edge with embossed in register. There are 8 carefully selected colors in this line, trending throughout the United States. Indoor Delight. This is one of our most popular collections. The sister to Lone Star Spirit XL with all of the same specifications. This color line offers 14 different sophisticated clean looks. Canyon Coast. Canyon Coast is the first to our WPC line. WPC means wood polymer composite. It is a 9 by 6 foot, 10 millimeter overall thickness. This is a 20 mil layer embossed in register with a beveled edge, a pressed beveled edge. This color line offers 7 colors. Seaside Summit, our second in the WPC line, 9 by 7 foot. This is our longest product with an overall thickness of 10 millimeter and a 30 mil wear layer with a painted beveled edge embossed in register. This is the lightest color line, sure to brighten any room. Comfort Heights. This is our rigid core laminate. It is a 9.25 5-foot, 12 mil embossed product. This product is a waterproof product with a wax beveled edge for easy installation. This product has 14 colors that are timeless and have crossovers to the SPC and LVB line. Okay, so just to recap, we talked about the district line. We discussed our good, better, and best line of flexible glue down LVP. For SPC, we reviewed our entry-level Bambino collection along with Grande, Versa, both Lone Star lines, Trenta, Natural Essence Plus, and Indoor Delight. I also mentioned about our two WPC collections, Seaside Summit and Canyon Coast. Lastly, I showed you our Comfort Heights waterproof laminate. Thank you all for your time and attention today. We hope you found this introduction to Lion's Floor informative. At this time, we'd be happy to open the floor for any questions or discussion you might have.
Awesome. Thank you, Brandy. I do have just a couple of questions coming out of my end, but folks, yeah, if you have any questions or any areas you'd like Brandy to further explain, feel free to drop those in the Q&A now. But I'll go ahead and get started with what we have so far. What is the lead time for orders, and do you have minimum quantity requirements?
We do not have a minimum order requirement, and we typically can, depending on when the order comes in, deliver same week.
Perfect. Thank you. Good to know. All right. What maintenance protocols do you recommend to maintain appearance and warranty coverage?
To maintain appearance, what is it that, Randy, can you assist me in our guidelines that we have put together for this?
So we do have a care and maintenance on our website. I'll go to that real quick.
Okay.
There's a little bit of difference between each the product material type, whether it's laminate, SPC, WPC, or the glue down. Let's see. And I believe it's under a cleaning guide right here. So if you want, you can go to our website and download our care and cleaning guide. For SPC, WPC, and the LVP, it's the same. And then for laminate, I think there's a little bit of difference between the laminate one. But this will give you a step-by-step for daily maintenance or monthly maintenance.
Perfect. Yeah, that's very helpful. Thank you.
Mhm.
All right. So next we have, are all lines approved for the use over slab on grade? Any provisions for high water table or high moisture climates?
Yes, they are suitable for installation in those areas. And we require a 6 mil underlayment, 6 mil poly. However, these are waterproof products, so this is what they're designed for.
Amazing. Perfect. All right. How do your products address slip resistance requirements for commercial applications?
Randy, can you assist with this?
I'm not sure on that one on the top of my head. I'd have to reference back and then give back to the person who asked that question. I'm not 100% sure on the answer to that one.
No worries. All right. Looks like we have one more. How do your products perform in terms of acoustics, especially on multi-level buildings?
On our SPCs and WPCs, there is an attached pad. It is an antibacterial attached pad, and it offers a sound deadening barrier as well. So it performs very well in a multi-level setting.
And then real quick, just going back to all our testing and certifications, obviously we test both the IIC and I think it's STC testing, and one is like the horizontal sound testing, one's the vertical sound testing. And we have all those test results available on our website to download if you need to see that, or most of the time HOA associations look at that as well.
Gotcha. Awesome. All right, well, that looks like all of the questions that we have for now. Any final comments or notes that we want to point out? Maybe anything else we'd like to show, highlight on the website before we wrap things up today?
I don't have anything additional, Randy.
I'm good, and I appreciate everyone's time today. I know we wanted to keep it short and simple and just have a brief introduction. Didn't want to overwhelm everybody. Like Brandy did mention, we have 130 SKUs divided by 14 different collections. What we showed you today was our most popular SKUs and collections and colors as well. And we'd be happy to follow up with anybody further if they want a more in-depth PK training or anything like that. We'd be more than happy to accommodate.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you so much. And we hope everyone, if you're interested in getting touched, you fill out the poll. And feel free to drop any other further questions in the post-webinar survey if you think of anything else. And we will be in touch. Thank you, Randy
Thank
and
you
Brandy.
all.
Thank you, everyone, for
Okay.
joining.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a
Yes,
great day.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day, everyone. Bye.